Hello my dear friends, welcome again. I am going to explain you today linear differential equation, some extra problem from linear differential equation. Some extra problem from linear differential equation. Some extra problems as linear differential equation. Before going to explain, just I am going to write that what is the linear differential equation of first order. Linear differential equation of first order, as I explained you in last my lecture, but again I am explaining you that if the differential equation is given as dy dx plus py equal to q, then that type of differential equation is called linear differential equation, where p and q be function of x only. Then two steps we have to follow. First step is find integrating factor. What is integrating factor? This will be equal to e raised to the power integration p dx. It means calculate the value of p from here and integrate it. Then second step is general solution. General solution is containing y times integrating factor equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. What is that means? That means that whatever you got the value of integrating factor from here, you have to substitute and simplify. That is your general solution. So I am going to pick one question from my ProQuest library, that is solve linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. As I told you that one, I will abbreviate d dot e as differential equation. So what is the equation? Question is solve the linear differential equation is 2y minus x cube dx equal to x dy. Solve this linear differential equation. So what we have to do, first of all, see that one, I have to compare this differential equation from the linear standard form of linear differential equation. What is the standard form of linear differential equation? This one, dy dx plus py equal to q. Now compare from this one. This one and this one is different. Different means this one is not written as in this form. So what is the mistake here? Means what is the confusing here? Confusing here, it is written here dy dx, but here it is not. So just try to, if you want to solve, just try to write it in dy dx form. So see that one, we can write it like this equation, like dy dx equal to, just opposite that one, 2y minus x cube divided by x. Yes, we can write it. If you say that yes, then we can try to write this differential equation in that form. What is that one? Write it like that one, 2y divided by x minus x cube divided by x. Now see that one, we can try to simplify it. If you simplify, we can write it like that one, dy dx minus 2y divided by x equal to minus x square, because of x cube divided by x is x square. Now check that one, this is in that form. So if it is like that, compare the values of p and q. P equal to minus 2 divided by x and q equal to minus x square. Now write the integrating factor, that means two steps. Write the integrating factor first. So what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is e raised to the power integration p dx. Substitute this one, e raised to the power integral p. P means 2 divided by x dx. Now integrate it. E raised to the power integration 2 by x is ln, that means minus 2 ln of x. Now we can write it e power ln of x power minus 2. So or we can write it x power minus 2 or 1 divided by x square. From where we get? Maybe some student knows. So just I am telling you, e power n ln of x equal to x to the power n. and e power minus n ln of x equal to x to the power minus n. So using that concept, I got this result. Now this is your integrating factor. The second step is general solution. General solution means y times integrating factor equal to integration q. Q means minus x square into integrating factor dx plus c. Cancel this one and simplify it, means integrate it. So what is the remaining part? Minus dx plus c. Now integrate it, y divided by x square, minus dx means minus x plus c. So this is your answer. You can write it like that form, or you can write it like that one. This is called general solution. You can say that one implicit solution. If you write like that one, y equal to minus x power 3 plus cx square, this is called explicit solution. Explicit solution. Explicit solution means where you have to write y only, alone y, the coefficient of y should be 1, then that type of equation is called, solution is called explicit solution. Where solution where anything is involved with y, that is called implicit solution. So this is the answer of that one. I am picking this question from ProQuest library. So hopefully you understand this question. Another question related to linear differential equation from ProQuest is solve question number 2. Solve linear differential equation. What is linear differential equation? Dy dx, sorry, this is dy dx minus 2xy equal to 6x e raised to the power x square. So if you want to write the solution, just you have to compare what are the values of p and q. So p equal to here minus 2x, q is equal to 6x e power x square. Now if you got that one, then you have to write p and q value, integrating factor, 2 steps. Integrating factor e raised to the power p dx equal to e raised to the power p means minus 2x. So integrate it. So what is that? E power minus 2, integration of x means x square by 2. So this is cancel. It means that one e power minus x square. Now second step is general solution. General solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. So simplify. We can write it like that one. Simplify. This and this cancel. So it is coming 6x dx plus c. Now integrate it, 6x square by 2 plus c. Now simplify it and write the answer. Y is equal to, we can write it here, y divided by e power x square equal to 3x square plus c. This is called implicit solution. General solution you can say, or you can say that one implicit solution. But if you write like that one, y is equal to 3x square e power x square plus c e power x square, then this is called explicit solution. Hopefully you understand this one. Then this is called explicit solution. Hopefully my dear friend you understand that one. On continuation of that, just I am picking another question from the ProQuest library, that solve question number 3. Solve linear differential equation. What is that? Dy dx plus y times cosine of x is equal to 2 cosine of x. Now compare that here. What are the values of p and q? Just write it. So p is equal to here cosine of x, and q is equal to 2 cosine of x. Now write the First step. First step is integrating factor. E raised to the power p dx, that means cosine of x dx. So what is the integration of cosine? Integration of cosine is sin x. So e power sin x. Now second step is general solution. General solution y into integrating factor is equal to q means 2 cosine of x into integrating factor dx plus c. Now what is that one? See, if you know, you can write the answer directly, but if you do not know, then use substitution method. That means replace here, put here sin x equal to t, then the derivative of sin x is cosine x, dx equal to dt. So put it like that one, y e power sin x into 2 times e power sin x means t and cosine x dx means dt plus c. Simplify it, y times e power sin x equal to 2 e power t plus c. Replace that one. This implies that y e power sin x equal to 2 times e power t means sin x plus c. This is your answer. This answer is called implicit solution. If you want to write y value, then nothing, just divide by e power sin x. So when you divide e power sin x, this comes 2 plus c times e power minus sin x. This is called explicit solution. This one is called explicit solution. Hopefully you understand, my dear friends.